Okay, so EF, which is right here, it is described as 4x plus 15. Its length in algebraic terms is 4x plus 15. We don't know exactly what the length is, but FG, which is right here, is 39. We do know that exact length. Okay. We also know that e to g, the entire length, the exact same length of those two segments put together. Remember the segment addition postulate says that if two segments share a common endpoint and they fall all collinear, the endpoints are all collinear, then the two smaller segments together add up to the larger segment. So from there to there is EF plus FG. Okay, and that measures 110. So we can write that as an algebraic expression, or an algebraic equation rather, 4x plus 15 plus, that's the red section, plus 39, that's the blue section, will equal 110, that's the entire thing that would be in green. Okay, now we're just solving algebraically. So combine like terms. The like terms are 15 and 39, and that becomes, let's see, 39 plus 15, 54. Equals 110. Subtract 54 from both sides, and we get 4x equals 56. So if we do 4x divided by 4 equals 56 divided by 4, we will get x equals, if you want to find out what that equals, you can do a division problem over here on the side, do it out of the way. We have 14. Okay, find the value of x. That's what they wanted to know. They wanted to know the value of x. They didn't ask for the measures of the segments. So we have an answer of x equals 14, which is C. We're done.